My experience with Coverall has helped me grow as a person, to grow, to be more confident, to talk with people, because believe it or not, I'm a shy person. So for me, go talk to a customer, I used to have problem with that. But now, being part of the Coverall team, having all their support, all the training, now I can go visit a customer and talk to them. For example, last year, I was trying to get a new account on my own, huge account. I needed the manager and a couple of people from the office to come with me. And they came, they took their time. Even though I was getting this account on my own, they came to support me, to be with me, to answer any question the customer has, and I was able to close the account. Right now I have about 17 accounts. If I would have gone on my own, I don't think I would have maybe 5 accounts. Maybe. I don't think I would have grown the business the way I had grown this business, because I think one of the major things that a lot of people fail when they want to go on their own is because they have to do everything, accounting, invoicing, everything. And that part, I don't have to do it. So that helped me to grow the business, just to focus on having the customer happy. Knowing that I'm inspiring my boys, my son, made me feel so good, made me feel proud of myself. Especially that I'm coming from another country. I've been here for 30 years. They see the example that I've given them. For them to see the life in a different direction, that you don't have to be in a job 9 to 5. You can be independent, that you don't have to have maybe the background. They have seen that. That made me feel proud, that I open doors for them, that they can see that it can be done.